So this is a 3-cup triple suction phone mount. And basically I plan to use this for making self-driving videos with my Tesla, but I'm gonna show you what comes in it. Another package. And so you can see each one of these are adjustable, so they can suction cup to the top of my car, and it should be really secure. And then I'm able to install this and, for example, use this with my phone to be able to mount my phone on it and hopefully record the video I want to record. It does come with this. This is a GoPro attachment, so that's always pretty nice. And it comes with the long screw, but everything you should need. Oh, that's a little safety hanging thing. But everything you should need to suction cup this to some kind of item and record. So let's go put it, let's put it together real quick. Let me show you. We just take this, and then we take one of these screws, and then this sits right on here, and the screw just goes through. And then cell phone mount, you can mount this way or this way. So for me, for example, I'll need it this way. And there we go. My mount's ready to go. My cell phone can pop on here and should be able to record everything I need. That is going to work so well.